Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Triple N Media. I am Dr. Nik Nikam. The feature presentation is five surprising benefits of edamame beans. Most of you are familiar with these beans. In India, they use it during the seasonal time, and there are many different ways these beans can be used. And we're going to talk about the great benefits of these edamame beans compared to many other types of vegetables. So let us begin with the main feature presentation. They come in many different forms. As you can see, you can follow my green arrow here. We got a lot of green on the screen here. Anyway, they come as beans, which can be frozen, seen in frozen section, or you can buy these fresh edamame pots from where you can extract these beans. The capsules are not generally used. It is also available as a dry roasted edamame, or you can take this fresh edamame seeds and fry them in shallow oil, add some spices, chili, salt, whatever you like, garlic. Oh boy, that will be interesting. Or you can just boil this edamame for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then it will become a fully cooked vegetable with which will be a great source which will be a great source of protein to add to your salad. If you add that along with chickpeas, you have a protein-rich salad. We're going to talk about that in a minute. Let's look at why edamame is so useful compared to most other forms of beans and seeds. 1 cup of edamame, or 155 grams, has 18.4 grams of protein, 8 grams of fiber, only 188 calories, and 8 grams of fat, and 13 grams of carbohydrates. This is a much better number compared to many other products, which I'm going to compare a couple of them in a minute. But the most important thing is you get 18 grams of protein. You also get 8 grams of fiber, and it's only 188 calories. You're getting only 8 grams of fat. And let's compare that to peanuts, for example. Here we have edamame, 100 grams, peanuts, 100 grams. Total calories, 120. Peanuts, 100 grams, equal to 3 ounces, 540 calories. Can you imagine that? And you're trying to lose weight. Eating peanuts is not the way to go. You should be looking at edamame. Saturated fat, total fat 4 grams, 44 grams. It is not difficult for somebody to sit with a bottle of peanuts and finish 3 ounces of peanuts, which is equal to 100 grams. Then you're getting 44 grams of fat. You're getting 540 calories. And along with that, you're also getting half a gram of salt. And look at edamame on the other hand. 8 grams of carbohydrates versus 28 grams of carbohydrates with peanuts, and 11 grams of protein with edamame, whereas 24 grams of protein. But the problem with peanuts is calories, and number two, 24 grams of protein versus 44 grams of fat. So you're getting twice the amount of fat compared to protein. So if protein is the main source of your concern, then you should be looking at edamame instead of peanuts or peanut related products, because you're adding a substantially higher amount of fat and calories. Look at the carbohydrates also. Carbohydrates are like 5 times higher in peanuts compared to edamame. So that's the nutritional value of these products per 100 grams each. So that tells you. And let's compare with green beans. What's the problem with green beans? Well, green beans, of course, edamame has more protein, whereas green beans, majority of their calories come from carbohydrates. So if you have diabetes and if you're trying to cut down your carbohydrate intake, and if you're trying to reduce your calories, if you're trying to lose weight, green beans may not be a better choice. Edamame may be a much more suitable choice, because your protein, you get 37% of the weight by protein, then you have minimal carbohydrates and slightly increased fat compared to green peas, but it's considerably less compared to peanuts for that matter. Okay, what are the benefits of edamame? Benefit number one, a rich source of protein. I mean, that is number one. It can be used in variety of ways. As I already showed you, we can make curries with that, or you can just shallow fry them with salt, pepper, garlic, or Cajun spices, whatever you like. You can just boil them in a microwave for 5 minutes and use them in salads, which will be another great source of protein. And as I already showed you at the beginning, you can use dry roast edamame as an appetizer or for snacks instead of using peanuts and chips and other things which are much more harmful. And freshly dried peanuts can be used also as an appetizer or as part of your salad mix, which will be a great way to jazz up your salad. Why not? Benefit number two, this is ideal for diabetics because number one, you have the lowest amount of carbohydrates compared to peanuts and green beans. By taking low carbohydrates, it helps you to keep your blood sugar level down. It helps you to lower the glycemic index. How does the glycemic index get lower with the edamame compared to other nuts, peanuts, or any other? Because edamame has protein, because edamame has a lot of fiber, the absorption of carbohydrates is delayed. As a result of this delayed action, the glycemic, the rapidity at which the glucose goes up is considerably reduced, thus reducing a sudden insulin surge that is required with, like, for example, eating peanuts or chips or just pure rice or any pasta, something like that. It lowers the need for insulin requirements, and the less insulin you require, the less insulin resistance you're going to have. Plus, given all these factors, it will help you to lose weight. So keep that in mind, because if you have diabetes, if you have overweight problem, if you have high blood pressure problem, then edamame may be a good source of protein, vegetable protein. If you are a vegan and you don't like meat, this is your baby. Now let's look at vitamins. It has folate, vitamin K, thiamine, riboflavin, iron, copper, manganese. It has a very high content of manganese, which is an important element needed for muscle function. It is also high in magnesium and potassium. So these are all some of the additional benefits of eating edamame or adding edamame to your diet regimen. Number 4, it reduces osteoporosis. Edamame has isoflavones. These are the phytochemicals. When supplemented, can increase your bone density and prevent the development of osteoporosis. There are quite a number of other benefits with edamame because of this isoflavones. There's what is known as the phytoestrogens, a type of isoflavone found in edamame that can alleviate premenstrual cramps, prevent migraine headaches. It has also been shown to reduce, of course, the risk of osteoporosis. Other risk factors, other benefits include reduction in the breast cancer or prostate cancer, but those are all questionable items. But nonetheless, edamame has a lot of benefits in terms of providing rich protein, high fiber, low carbohydrates, low calorie protein substitute for vegetarians, and it has great flavor on top of that. And here are some cooking tips. You can boil them for 3 to 5 minutes, which should be sufficient enough. It can be also steamed, microwaved, or pan fried. And by doing these techniques, you can put them in your regular gravies or curries, or mix them with salads. So it helps to use this in many different ways, or use them as snacks when you have tea party or something like that. So you get a consistent protein source by using edamame. So, ladies and gentlemen, as I said, you can add those edamames boiled or fried or whatever the way you want. You can even blend it to add these to any type of gravies to give the texture and consistency. So you have a choice of many different options by using edamame as a substrate. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a quick overview of edamame and its benefit. I am Dr. Nik Nikam. I hope this has sort of enlightened you about what is edamame, what is its composition, how does it compare to peanuts and even green beans, and what are the benefits of edamame, and where and how you should replace your other sources of carbohydrates and proteins with edamame in your future diets. Thank you so much for watching this presentation, and please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next presentation.